Easy installation split. Easy installation. Drain pipe change position. Easy maintenance. Easy installation. Decide on installing location for the mounting plate. Mark the center hole. Drill a hole on the marked center point. Insert plastic plug to the wall. Then install center screw. 4 screw points for fixing mounting plate. Make the mounting plate horizontally. Mark the 4 screw points. Then fix the mounting plate with screws. Take off horizontal ruler. Hang the AC onto mounting plate. Then open the screw cover. Remove the screw and take off the trim panel. Lift up AC. Open the 2 support plates to 90 degrees. Connect air conditioner pipes with 2 wrenches. Connect drain pipe and twine round it with tape. Open the front panel. Take off wiring distribution cover. Then remove the wiring clamp. Insert connecting cord from the bottom. Fix cord terminal to the terminal board. Fix wiring clamp and wiring distribution cover. Close the front panel and the 2 support plates. Push AC onto the wall. Put the trim panel onto the AC. Then install the 2 screws. Finally, close screw cover. Drain pipe change position. Firstly, take off the trim panel. Remove the drain pipe screw. Then take off the drain pipe. Secondly, take off the rubber plug from the left drain hole. Insert the drain pipe to the left drain hole and fix it with screw. Thirdly, insert the rubber plug to the right drain hole. Then put the trim panel onto the AC. Easy maintenance. Firstly, open the front panel. Remove wiring distribution cover. Disconnect the display cord and take off the front panel. Secondly, take off the 2 filters and the horizontal airflow panel. Then remove the 4 screws to take off the shell. Thirdly, take off electric box cover and replace PCB. Finally, take off motor shield. Loosen motor access screw. Motor can be replaced. Hisense.